Join us in this short explore where we descend down into a hidden WW2 Air Raid Shelter bunker. The shelter is located in Dorset, South England. The bunker has 3 sections. The 2 large areas appear to be seating areas, and the third was a mixture of seating with toilets and sinks. There is minimal history on this bunker, so it's not conclusively known how many times the bunker was actually used or for how long. We think it was capable of holding a good few hundred people. There are 3 entrances to the bunker, 2 of which are stairways at either end. These are now capped with concrete from above. The third looks to be an escape hatch leading directly up.
Here comes Matt.
It's a bit mad.
Yeah, man.
Stay with the ladders. I don't want anyone nicking them.
No.
Oh Christ, this is good.
Dang. So folks, we are at an old World War II Air Raid Shelter in Dorset. What he said, yeah. Well, I'll hold the ladder for you. You all good? I think you're good. Nah. Right folks, so just got the light out. What are we doing? It's fair size. Not a tiny one, is it?
Toilet block, urinal for the men. Don't mind if I do.
Oh yeah. Yeah, these are all toilet basins. Yeah. Oh, the old walkway, the old stairwell. Have you been around it?
No.
Yeah, that goes up to street level. So that would have been where they.
Those concrete things.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
So actually, folks, if we go to the steps, we can sort of retrace the steps people would have taken down there.
Ooh, lots of spiders.
Oh yeah.
So that's it. And that's all concrete off
Yeah,
there.
concrete capped.
Now, you would have been able to lift those concrete caps off, which is why I think they metalled them as well.
Yeah.
Maybe I would have had rope going through these. Yeah, just exploring within.
Hi guys. You left her up there on her own?
She want to come down?
She didn't want to come down.
No.
Oh.
Why's that?
Right. This is the only
She said she might not film it, so maybe
Okay.
she's.
And what's it? New Forest Explorer? That's it. Okay, cool. Check this new guy, New Forest Explorer. Let's just fingers crossed. Anything else on us? We're trusting you, we're trusting you.
Yeah, that is the end, guys. This is cool. Oh no, straight in my head. I'm glad I wore my boots. Glad I wore my boots, folks. So that's where we just came from, actually.
Smells quite good here, really.
Doesn't smell bad, does it?
It reminds me of when we did the park on the white, where you lift up a rain cover, drop down, and it's just a large space of people park, which they preserve. And that's why they get on the park. It's not because they want to park here, it's because they know this is here.
It's actually bigger than I thought it was. Yeah, so it is under the whole park.
Another urinal at the same. Looks at it.
Oh, wow.
Urinal. Mops and mops. Probably female this end and male and female the other end. Yeah. Oh, exactly the same layout.
I wonder if this is the set of steps in the middle of the...
Yes. This is the one in the middle, I bet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah,
Proper caps, yeah.
I'm glad we found this one.
not so many.
I don't think it'd be quite so easy to just get in here, to be honest.
Yeah.
But
It looks like they put concrete between the between these things when they dropped them down to make it even harder for you to lift it up if you wanted to. There we are, B4, B1. They've got markings in B1.
It's the old the old railings they would have had on the wall.
Yeah, oh, I nearly kicked that then.
Oh, yeah.
There's a
Now they've had them in the middle,
railing
yeah,
you
in and out
described.
direction.
Mm.
Got another good old bunker.
Yeah.
Doesn't the steel always look or the iron always look the same? Same rust pattern.
Oh.
Yeah, how many do you reckon in this could hold? Probably 500?
Yeah, 500,
Push, something like that.
maybe. Push, standing, probably more.
You haven't been down there yet? I think we have.
No. This is opposite to where you came in.
Little light switch.
More ceramics, smashed up. So somebody's dragged all the smashed toilets in here for some reason. Yeah, it's all just.
I'm sure one of the old articles I read, there was still an old poster on the wall, but it looks like it's since been knocked down.
Unless they think it's that one that says grab your gas masks.
Oh, it could be actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's more stenciled in, I think we painted the stenciled in. Is this a third way? Oh, that's where we came in. So that's it. Oh, that's a humanoid.
Who's
A
that?
Raymanoid.
Raymond.
That's it, yeah. Raymond.
It's a cool little one. Yeah.
Very tight to get in there. For some reason, we put ropes, yeah. I wonder why. What's the purpose behind that ropes? Up there.
Quite a new rope as well, grand scheme of things. That doesn't look too old, does it?
I know, this is a shit ladder, really, for the job.
It's done the job though, hasn't it?
It has, yeah. But it is shit. So,
This, I don't believe all these bricks were here in the original photos. It's like someone's dumped them here to obviously make it easier to get down.
the ladder.
Yeah.
Oh, Keely. You, just spin the light to.
Look who's joined us!
Kaylee Gilston explores. Oh, this is very decayed.
Gonna get some stills, guys.
Is that all you film on now?
Yeah.
Right, folks, that is what we've just climbed out of.
So if I lost my phone, I've lost
And that
absolutely everything.
is all for now. So, here's the team. Got Nick, New Forest Explorer, Kelly Colston Explores, Hidden Arses with Ray, literally, and Matt, Secret Vaults. You know what to do. Cheers, guys.